chili, man. If you wanna know how spicy is it,
Can we eat these?
Let them pick by themselves. You can pick. You can pick by yourself, and you can try.
That's the first side chili that we call. It's most spicy in Thailand.
Yeah. Which one you like? The red is hotter.
Hotter?
Red is hotter than green.
Is it spicy for you?
Where are you from?
U.S. My parents are from Mexico, so I'm used to eating a lot of chilies.
Welcome to Thailand.
Yes, it's beautiful.
Spicy? Try.
If you can taste it, you can handle them today in the class. But we can.
Oh yeah, it's spicy.
It's spicy.
Spicy.
Isn't that like actually?
I'm with you though, it's good.
It's good.
Cheers.
Yeah, just like that.
Mine is really spicy. Did you guys get a really spicy one? Okay.
I tasted it. It wasn't that bad. It shocked me at first.
No, I just had a little.
No, I didn't eat the whole thing.
No, I only ate the little bit.
Everyone can taste. You can pick. You can pick it.
It will be nicer. I can feel the stronger maybe.
But then you catch a little.
Yeah. It's not spicy at first, but it's come after.
But later on, that's on like little by little.
Yeah, it's burning later. Okay.
Oh yeah, it's getting the kick already.
Oh.
And this is
No, it's good.
in the market too. You see that with them?
Yes, exactly.
And this is excellent. Aubergine.
It's too spicy.
Aubergine, right? Aubergine en français.
But you may not boom, real hot. But if you guys don't have this one in your
Well, that one
barbecue,
soup we got one time, I drank the last of the broth.
yeah, you can get this.
So I got all the seeds off.
Yeah, we have access to them at the market.
So it's easy for you.
I couldn't breathe.
What about the peppers that are green and red, like combined? Are those spicier than the red or no?
I hate this.
Some pure red. Is pure red the spiciest or the red next one?
Okay, this way please. Nobody come in.
It's too hot for him. รถไถ Try to let him try eggplant.
The aubergine?
Yeah, the aubergine can help you because it's too spicy.
Aubergine, is it spicy or no?
No, not spicy. It help you after you eat
Oh
chili.
no, I'm fine. I don't need any. I'm good.
Oh, really? Wow.
You guys fine?
No, she wanted you to for me.
Get him some milk.
For him because I quite worry about him because he ate too chili.
No, it's okay. I'm used to eating this.
Oh wow.
Aubergine, it's white.
I'm used to eating like spicy.
Not too much, but it's very crunchy. Very
Okay, let them try.
no.
Terry, this is what we had in the green chili.
the green curry.
Wondering what it was, and we thought it was like a
Yeah,
zucchini.
It's a green curry, yeah.
It's crunchy. The taste, if you taste it, it will be a bit bitter.
Oh my god,
first, but a
this
little
would
bit
taste
bitter.
good in a green curry.
It's crunchy.
Crunchy.
Thai people eat fresh as well. We eat like
Can you eat it like that too, or no?
Yeah, we eat
With
like
lime, or no?
whatever you want to eat. But Thai people eat with chili jam.
No, it's really good in curries. I
We
love
did
it.
as a French vegetable, we did this something we together. Okay, that's Thai local people. I like that. Okay, you like it? After you cook it, it will be sweeter. This one.
Aubergine.
Aubergine.